Hello you guys, welcome to another episode of Tuesdays in the Attic. I am JQ Crafty. My partner in crime is Jen Case Mom here on YouTube and on Instagram. You can go check her out. She has been loyally posting them all on Instagram too. She's a very good partner. She's doing things much more on time than I am, but today I'm doing pretty good. So today I thought actually about playing with my how to kill a kit with style. I'm not done with another layout that I started, but that doesn't mean we can't start another one, does it? I don't think so. So I'm gonna pick some papers. This is my kit. The theme for this month was, I don't remember, something about like a kit maybe you don't love, or papers that don't quite go together or something. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind this kit, but it's harder and harder to use. Yeah, so I've got lots of stuff in it. We've got a bunch of smaller cuts besides our 10 by 12. So I'm going to, I thought this would be actually probably a pretty good opportunity to maybe use up this pink cardstock. I think I have a photo in mind as well. And I think I'm going to cut this into a 10 by 12 because then I can just have like a pink border with it, and it'll use up a chunk of my big chunk of my kit, because this paper will be gone. So we're going to get the border strip off that. I don't know if I'm going to keep that. I haven't decided. Sometimes I'm like, yes. And sometimes I'm like, no. So 10 by 12. So that means we're just going to take 2 inches off of a 12 by 12 on one side. And there's my 10 by 12. And yes, I think I'm going to just lay her up on this pink cardstock. Because I don't think this is 12. No, it's not 12 by 12 anymore. Ah! So much stuff. Ooh, and we could use some washi too, maybe. Let's see, 10 by 12, and then we need, what other colors? I don't want to use that one. I'm not really feeling that one. This one, yes. This one, no. What's the next biggest? 6.5 by 3. Let's make this a 6.5 by 3. First, this looks like it needs to be trimmed up a little. All right, there's a 6.5 by 3. I feel like we need either this color. Ooh, so maybe I should bring in this again and do a 6 by 2. Well, here, this is 2 by 3. This is 3 inches. Okay, is it 2 inches? Now it is. There's my 2 by 3. We'll make it that red color. Perfect. I'm just going to mark off which ones I have. So I just need a 6 by 2, 4 by 2, and a 3 by 2. That's all. A lot of cuts, but I feel like I should use this plain dark stuff. Let's do, can I do a 4 by 2 with this? Yep. I feel like I need some turquoise and maybe some white. Get rid of that. This blue's not quite the strat here, so we're gonna save that for another day. I think we will grab this though. the back of this, because this is going to be the white. So this can be maybe a 3x2. And then, do we have any of this turquoise color? Yes, we do. Got a couple different ones. We'll do this. And this will be 6x2. 2-inch. Okay. I've got a whole lot of stuff. Ooh, maybe I'll use this for my mat. Let's see, this is too yellow. That could be fun. Using that card to pop in some yellow because there isn't really any anywhere yet. So we're gonna save that over here. Okay, I'm gonna go try and find a photo. I think I have one in mind. I might try to use this lace too. We'll see. But I know for a fact you guys are gonna have a glare if I keep putting everything over there. Let's run it over here. So these are all my pieces. I know for a fact I'm gonna put this down, so let's just do that. I could just use the back side of that for my turquoise too, couldn't I? Yes, I could have. Oops. This pink doesn't exactly match, but it's close enough. Oh yeah, Mel? What, baby? You guys need to be fed? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go find a photo, figure out what I'm gonna do with all this, and then we will play. I'm gonna cut this, yeah, I kind of want to use that. I'm going to cut this out because I want to use it. I don't think I'll need anything else at the moment. This is what I ended up with. I apologize for not showing you, but I bannered my one piece, put it behind that card because I really wanted to use it. I went with the banner look, so I bannered this one and then made that a journaling spot up in the corner, and I bannered this one over the dark gray, and then I used a bunch of the stickers that I had in my kit, and then I grabbed these out. These are color cast designs, and added those. And I really like it. It's a simple page. It's not about anything fancy, but I got some journaling done, another page done in my son's layout. That's really all that matters. So thank you guys so much for watching Tuesdays in the Attic with Jen and I, Freak Fest Formulas. We'll be back next week with another. Thank you. Bye.